Yep, in this program that I use, there's a time limit, so we're going to have to split it up into two different parts. So, again, Djoser, the first pharaoh to commission the pyramids. Imhotep is the architect he chooses to build them. So, they both get credit. Now, Imhotep, super smart guy, the great architect of Egypt, designed the earliest pyramids and is said to be responsible for the creating of columns, and we'll talk more about columns later on. Um, and again, he's also the founder of Egyptian medicine. So he's not just a single guy. He's a smart guy all the way around. Um, does a lot of different things. Okay, but he is the guy that's going to be the architect. He's going to build it all. And you'll see more about him in the video that we're going to watch on Wednesday and Thursday. The Old Kingdom, the most enduring symbol of their authority and divine status, are the massive pyramids. Constructions are constructed as royal tombs. The largest is the Pyramid of Khufu, which involved precise cutting of 2.3 million limestone blocks by hand that weighed 2.5 to 15 tons, and a ton is 2,000 pounds. So, 30,000 pounds maximum. Again, it'll take 84,000 laborers, or basically about, I don't know, 12 Park Rapids. If everyone in Park Rapids worked, it would take 12 different towns the same size. Laborers working 80 days per year for 20 years. Competition between Egypt and Nubia for gold, ivory, and precise stones, and of course, land and power ensues. And so some of the pyramids that you guys will, I'm not going to speak too much about them because the video on Thursday and Friday is engineering and empire, so it's going to talk a lot about the engineering feats of Egypt, which their biggest ones are the pyramids. So, but here's some examples of what you're going to see. The bent pyramid of Snefru, where they started to build it and they realized that they had made a mistake, so about halfway through they had to make a big adjustment, which kind of gives this bent theory, or bent look. The Giza, Great Pyramids of Giza, everyone knows these are probably the most famous ones. Take a look at those, and again, this will all be talked about in the video on Thursday. So that's basically it. I'll leave now that I'm talking about it, and I'm just going to let the video kind of handle a lot of this stuff. We'll review it together. But the next time we have notes, we're going to look at the afterlife, and we'll look at the Book of the Dead and mummification, and we'll kind of go through some of the gods like Anubis, and we'll do all that stuff the next time I see you in the notes. But for now, again, guys, do not forget to write down that you are here for the attendance every single day. If you were at home that day, you have to let me know on this video, or the directions video, that you are here and that you're present. Okay, otherwise you don't get counted here. So keep that in mind. Tell your friends, spread the word so that other people aren't getting caught up in an attendance nightmare. All right, but that's all I got. Again, the big three things today were: what's papyrus? Who is Djoser and who helped him? So Djoser, right? First pharaoh to commission. Imhotep's the guy that helped him. And then who's the great unifier of Egypt? And that's Narmer or Menes, depending on which name you want to call him. But all right, that's the big three things for today, guys. Hopefully you have a good one. I'll see a lot of you guys tomorrow. Have a good Monday.